Yes, let us continue. From our previous tutorial, we have seen how to edit our ad views, and of course I got some error of conflict which made me use an online CDNs for getting those icons here, as you can see here, because from the previous tutorial they are not appearing. That is why now to get them I used an online CDN. Now what is that online CDN? Let me show you what I changed. I just came here in main 5. Now from main I replaced the font awesome with that CDN, that online CDN, and with that one it helped me to display my icons without using the ones from our AdminLTE. Now after that I worked also on the edit view, and the edit view is the same content, but the only difference is that I have to call here in the form I will call edit save function, and I pass of course again the parameter which is the ID of the data or ID of the product. Now I will also display again in the value of the input for the designation. I will display it by default the designation from the database, and for the radio input I will check if the data type is equal to liquid. I will check that one. If it is solid I will do the same, and if it is gas I will add attribute checked. Now for the other remaining one I will just display by default the label in the text area, and the button will be not even will not be save, but will be not submit, but will be update. And I can use here btn primarily, or I can even use secondary. This one also will give us another design. Now for again, let's proceed for the view. For the view is the same like as edit, but the only different is here I just call the index list. Not even, it is not even a button, it is just displaying what is there. And what I will add here by default, I will disable this colon, and again here I will disabled, and I will do the same here, disabled, for not to allow a user to change anything here on that interface. And again here the same. And of course, even if he is able to change something, he will not save nothing, because the button here is not an event which is triggering something from our controller, but it is just to come back to the list. After doing so, I have all my views: add, edit, list. As I told you, for the list is a bit complex because I'm using data table. Of course, I have explained you the recent time the way I got that table from my files from my AdminLTE. I just copied the second table. Now from that second table I just personalize it as what I need, because here I need only 4 columns for designation type, label, and that creation, and of course a action one which will contain my view action, my edit action, and my delete action. And for delete I just confirm, I call confirm, which is a pop-up which is here down, and I pass it the product ID, and it will prompt me, are you sure you want to delete this product? And if it is yes, I will just call base URL index product. From my product controller I will call delete function, and I pass it the product ID. Now having so, again here there is a set of script which must be loaded before everything, because here we are using data table. As I told you, I have to load datatable.min.js, bootstrap 4, responsive, bootstrap 4 again, buttons, and of course this one is a kind of repetition that it is coming from different folder. They are needed for my data table. And of course again here I have to precise what I have to add again. I have added copy button, CSV button, Excel button, PDF button, print, and visibility, colon visibility. I will show you how on the interface that one is looking. And I apply everything on my table which is having ID1, and of course ID1 is this one which is here. And I'm displaying again, for displaying again I'm calling again CSS. For the down ones those ones are scripts, but here I need also CSS, which are from data table, are from responsive, and are from bootstrap. Then after finishing, so if I came here and I try to add another data which is solid test, then I submit, and you can see here what I was telling you. This is copy, CSV, Excel, PDF, print, and colon visibility. This is the interest one. If I came here, I say I don't want to see type, I just click on it, and you can see my type is not visible anymore. And if I want to remove date creation, I just select it, and you can see here my table is good. And if I came here, I just bring back type. The type will be here. I can sort, which is good for data table. I can sort by type. I can sort by designation. I can sort by label. And of course, because I don't have date creation, I can bring back date creation. And you can see again here I can sort by date also. And I can, if I click here on print, it will give me that interface for print, and you can see it is fast and good. And I can cancel. If I click on PDF, and of course it will download me a PDF file. As you can see here, it is downloading me that PDF file. You can see here, of course the design is not good, but it is doing what I need. And again here you can see it is showing me 7 items. If I have more than 10, I can click here, next will be clickable. And of course now let me add some function for view, edit, and delete function. Stay tuned, we will continue in the coming tutorial. Thank you.